Right, so hi, we're ATI, and our machine learning product has to deal with brain tumors. And so most brain tumors are not diagnosed until after symptoms appear. A tumor can grow in the brain and go relatively unnoticed for a great period of time. And when symptoms do arise, they are often very generalized and can be caused by other conditions. And so given the clinical significance, numerous attempts at developing computer-assisted automation tools for tumor detection have been reported, but many of the recent techniques are either manual, slow, or suffer from poor accuracy, especially for irregular tumor shapes and sizes. So here, our team, consisting of Shreyaa, Kaiden, William, Sanjay, Josh, Sid, and Rinav, aim to develop and evaluate a fast and fully automated deep learning algorithm for accurate tumor segmentation and detection in magnetic resonance imaging or MRI scans.
So why did we choose to try to look at brain tumors? The answer is that currently developing fully automated deep learning methods with both high levels of accuracy and efficiency for improved clinical management of multiple types of tumors is holding tremendous research attention. Our team decided that that would be something which was in our best interest to tackle. Now we're going to quickly go over our data collection process. So basically we acquired multiple data sets from a website called Kaggle and compiled them to form a data set which had around 2,500 images. Here are a few sample images from our data set. As you can see, they've been grouped into the three main categories of brain tumors, which are pituitary, glioma, and meningioma.
Now we'll quickly brief over how we prepared and processed our data. We first had to run through our entire dataset and label each individual image with the type of tumor that it contained. We then had to create our deep learning model and create the labeling process so that each image would be labeled with its type of tumor and the surrounding bounding box. We then had to train our model, adjusting the weights each time to try and find the best hyperparameters that produced the best results in the form of the model's precision and recall.
The main challenge we encountered was with regards to fitting the forwarded data from the YOLO model to the website. So understanding the content of the Flask module and incorporating the data into the main script was a particular challenge. But after meticulous work and effort, we obtained a fundamental understanding of how it works. Another challenge we faced occurred during the labeling process, as there was some images where we faced difficulty locating and identifying the tumors. Another challenge we faced was creating a function to clean the predictions of our model in order to prepare the data for the generation of the confusion matrix, especially when there were duplicate boxes that needed to be evaluated. Keeping track of the IOUs, or intersection over unions, proved to be a complicated task.
Throughout creating this project, we had many takeaways, the main ones being, first, gaining an understanding of how a team-based project works through splitting into different groups throughout the 3 weeks when working to generate our model, along with splitting into a front-end and back-end team when working to create a website for our project. Another takeaway we had was developing a fundamental understanding and explainability of a variety of machine learning algorithms and how they can piece together to create a project. Moreover, we also developed an understanding of how technology has the ability to mimic neural structures and how this can be applied to advancing medical, technological, and other fields. Throughout these 3 weeks, we also developed a lot of practical and usable skills, including a basic understanding of Python, HTML, and Flask, the skills to use pandas to manipulate and analyze data, the skills to prepare data for a neural network, along with the ability to evaluate a model through the generation of confusion matrices, along with the understanding at a high level of how to create a model like the YOLO model on our app.
That's awesome. That's an awesome presentation. That's awesome presentation.
Yeah, so now we'll actually demo our model. So this is our website, AI-based brain tumor detection. And just for a live example, if we go—
Wait, did you guys design this using nice pages?
Yeah.
Okay.
So if we just look for a MRI scan with a brain tumor, let's see if we just try to find one. I don't know, something like this, or you can see the tumors already pointed out, but yeah. And then if we go here, we save the image. whatever, it's fine. Just replace that. And we go to our website, let's try now. Take this, open it, and as you can see, it correctly located a glioma tumor with 99% confidence. Here you could try another scan if you wanted, and the rest of this page kind of shows the confusion matrices for our model. It explains what exactly confusion matrices are, and also why our model might not be exactly correct. And if you actually look at our confusion matrices, it shows, if you look along this diagonal, it shows that our model is actually pretty accurate. The rest of our website consists of a project timeline where it just goes over what exactly we did in these 3 weeks to lead up to our product. Our definitions plus YOLO page. This part kind of just shows some terms of AI that we learned throughout this process. This part kind of just explains what exactly the YOLO architecture is, why we chose to use YOLO. And this final part visualizes the YOLO process as well as images and examples on the side. Yeah, that is our website.
Can you show them the painting?
Oh yeah, Rinav found a interesting picture. Oh wait, it's this one. That the model was actually able to find a tumor in for some reason. Yeah, for some reason located this kid as a glioma tumor and is for some reason very confident in it. So yeah.